Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is gonna be, you guessed it because you read the title. It's a Fashion Nova haul. Y'all love the Fashion Nova hauls just as much as I do. So let's get into this. But wait, hold up. If you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, honey. It's lit, it's popping, it's everything. As well, follow me on Instagram, guys. If you've been here a part of the tribe here on YouTube, join me over on Instagram as well. Y'all are here for the Fashion Nova hauls, so let's get into it. Okay, first up, we've got this two-piece here. It's kind of summery, but I feel like the blues and the darker shades kind of are giving me fall vibes as well. And it's got long sleeve, little crop top in it, honey. Stretch galore. Like when I say comfortable, okay? It's super comfortable and it's a really great length for the girls out there who are above 5'6" plus. I would say 5'6" to 5'9", you might be good with a little heel. So I feel like this is good for vacation, good for the fall. You can even throw a sweater, leather jacket, whatever you need, honey. This thing has got you. It's so comfortable. I love it, guys. I love it. Okay, enough of that cute. All right, next outfit. Next up, honey, we've got one of my faves. You know, it's got the mustard yellow in it, honey. Oh, I'm loving this piece. Seriously, guys, super stretchy. I like this because you can wear heels, thigh-high boots, or even a pair of running shoes with this little joint here. It's like motorcycle sporty chic. However, you cannot wear this on the back of a bike, like, or even to ride it yourself. Like, no, there's nothing about it. But you get what I'm saying in terms of the look. The fit is amazing. It's a little bit short, so if you are well endowed in the bumper area, then you will have to think about that. It is a little bit short. I'm wearing this in a medium as well. Don't forget, as always, I will have my height, weight, and measurements in the description box below, so that will help you guys gauge what size will fit you best. So like I said, this piece is super stretchy. It's very cozy and comfortable. It's definitely one of my favorite, like, coordinate matching sets that I own right now. Next up, we've got this corduroy jacket, y'all. It is like, you saw me wearing in the intro of this video. It's like this really pretty maroon, not maroon. How would you call this, wine? I'm not sure, but I really love it. It's corduroy. Corduroy for me like screams fall, and I'm just like, yes, give it to me. As you can see, I like to wear it off the shoulder, or I like to wear it, you know, like traditional jacket. It's up to you. It's got stretch in it. Super cozy and comfy again. Y'all know I love comfort, eh? I love comfort. And next up, on the topic of comfort, we have this two-piece lounge set. I got this in a large because I really wanted this to be comfy, but I feel like the waist ratio on it is not, I don't know. It's a little bit big in the stomach, but I really wanted it to be cozy and comfy on my legs, and I wanted it to be super long. So I feel like I can sacrifice the fact that the waist fits a little, you know, it's not perfect fit on the stomach, but it's still going to give me the cozy, loungy vibes that I really was going for. Next up, we have got this, so cute, this sweater dress, y'all. Of course, it has a mustard yellow, and navy blue always goes with mustard yellow. So you know I'm in love with this. Off the shoulder, throw on a boot, or a sneaker actually, really, because this is just, it's like varsity vibes, I feel. And I love it entirely. Sleeves are nice and long. It's just cozy. Like my mirror, I'm sorry that it's dirty. Like I really was trying to clean it, and it was just streaking, and it felt like the camera was picking up more mirror dirt than ever before. Sorry, just had to mention that. But anywho, back to the dress that is super cute. I think I got this in a medium as well. And yeah, it's just comfortable, guys. Like, I feel like wintertime, I mean, no, I feel like every day is about comfort, but winter, cool months, it's like #1. Next up, we have this frock here, y'all. I've been wanting and eyeing this thing for a while, and it kept selling out, but it's back. Well, I can't vouch for it at this moment or when you get there, but it was in stock for me, honey. And I was super happy. Picture this with like a strapless bra, a super cute belt around the waist. I had to put these bicycle shorts on underneath for obvious reasons, just so that you guys could get an idea of what it looks like. But I even think this would be super cute with a pair of like denim jeans. If you got those cute little like hot shorts to wear underneath. It's got a really great length, and I feel like this is definitely a summer, fall, almost any kind of season that you really want it to be, because like I said, throw a leather jacket on. You know what I mean? Make it fall. Do whatever you gotta do. And it's also something you could really dress up or dress down. Next up, I got these deep green cargo pants. If you guys watch my other Fashion Nova hauls, I already do have a pair of cargo pants from them that fit me incredible. They are a bit of a lighter color, but these ones don't have any stretch, girl. And the waist doesn't fit good, and then the butt's kind of tight. So in the description box, you can check your measurements to my measurements, and these might fit you like a dream if your ratios are a little bit different than mine, like you've got a little bit less in the bum area, then these will be incredible because I really like these pants. I'm actually gonna see if I can find a way to make them work because I really like the color and the style of them, that they look like really military vibes. Yeah, so I figured, I mean, most of the time I show you guys all the things that really fit, but like I feel like these pants are worth it for people that might have a different size than me out there, so that might help y'all. And last but not least, darling, we got these little red booties. Okay. Sorry that the camera's not focused. I thought it was, but it's not. But I know you guys can still tell that these are popping. And like, what says the Festivus seasons ahead more than red? Okay. Bad booty. It's a bad booty. I love it. Love it. Alright guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, as well as turn on those post notifications so that y'all know when I upload a video. Okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste!